What's up, everybody? It's Sunday, and you know what that means. I'm back with another Sunday video, and this one's very simple and easy, and I hope that you all enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Wait a minute, did you really think I was done? Psych your mind, make your booty shine, come back here. I am not done. So instead of tossing the remaining pieces away, we're going to actually recycle that and turn that into something else. So, on that note, I will see you guys next week and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.